Ideas for Tomorrow, ý tưởng cho tương lai. Một ngày để chúng mình được học, được chơi, được nhảy cát và được là chính mình.
So we hope this is going to be an exciting day for all of you. We'll be working in teams, we'll be making new friends, we'll be taking on different challenges today. And today you get to be architects and engineers and designers, problem solvers. We hope you'll have a lot of fun today. Above all, have fun today.
Morning, everybody! Alright, so welcome again to the school ICS I Can School. OIC! OIC! Let's get to the day today.
Great food, great music, great people. It's gonna be incredible.
I think the Changemaker is like change the world for a better, make some more sustainable development goals for the world, and just make the future better for other generations as we pass on.
I think it should be different.
Where?
AI technologies are used to help doctors cure patients in emergencies. And the houses where we live will get the energy and the spas and uses.
Hello everyone, my name is Koga. I'm from Southwest Primary School. I'm 10 this year. And today I'm going to talk about my trip to ICS school in Ho Chi Minh City on 11th March. Here I enjoyed many things and learned many new things too. The thing I enjoyed most is the music from the ICS band. It was marvelous. It's incredible, wonderful music. And I learned a lot of new things today too. I learned about making changes in the future and a lot more with my friends. And while we are here, we could also write a pledge about my promises in the future. My pledge is about keeping the world clean and caring for the environment by using eco-friendly materials and products. That's all about my presentation. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Mira and I'm in grade 5. My name is Lucy and I'm also in grade 5. So today, I have learned a lot of things like teamwork, creativity, and using my imagination. I enjoy doing the challenge with my friends and meet other new friends from other schools. And after this day, I will save the planet by saving the water. And so today, one thing that I really enjoyed is the food. But other than that, I really enjoy how we had teamwork, we had creativity, and we start to make new friends during new school. Bye-bye!